What is a nunatak? Have you ever wondered what those isolated peaks are that rise above the ice in polar regions? Today, we are going to uncover the fascinating world of nunataks. A nunatak is an isolated mountain peak or rock formation that stands out above a glacier or ice sheet. The term nunatak comes from the Inuit language, meaning lonely peak. You can find these formations in places like Antarctica and Greenland, as well as in high-altitude areas like the Himalayas and the Rocky Mountains. Nunataks form when a glacier or ice sheet covers most of a mountain range, leaving only the highest peaks visible. It is important to note that they are not created by glaciers. They were part of the mountain range before glaciation occurred. Their sizes can vary greatly, with some being small protrusions just above the ice, while others rise hundreds or even thousands of feet above the surrounding ice. In the context of polar regions, nunataks serve as important navigational aids and landmarks. Early explorers, such as Roald Amundsen and Robert Falcon Scott, relied on these peaks to help them map the vast icy terrains. Today, they continue to play a significant role in geographical mapping and remote sensing in polar regions. Scientists study these unique formations to learn about ecosystems that are isolated by ice. They host a variety of organisms, including bacteria, lichens, and mites. Nunataks also provide valuable information about geological processes. The exposed peaks experience freeze-thaw erosion, resulting in jagged surfaces, while the lower parts, shaped by glaciers, appear smooth. This contrast highlights the dynamic relationship between glaciers and mountain formations in polar regions. In the field of remote sensing and mapping, identifying nunataks is essential for understanding ice sheet dynamics and glacier coverage. This information helps scientists track changes in ice extent over time, which is critical for studying the impacts of climate change in polar regions. By mapping these features, researchers can gain a clearer picture of how glaciers are responding to rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns. So, the next time you see a picture of a glacier with a peak sticking out, remember that it is a nunatak, a lonely peak with a story to tell about our planet's changing climate and geography.